Cessna is in the clouds right here. This is 24191-181. It's somewhere in the clouds above me. It's flying towards this little dark spot here, which isn't the whole sky, it's just that area. Turn his lights on. So there's a sound cover up with the Doppler effect, and then like this. And also you see this dark cloud right here? You can see how it stops right here. So that's basically the outline of it. That's the same, whatever the ground in the lake, whatever it does, it creates it, and it sometimes is out here. And that's the size. That's what they use as an excuse for the jumbo jets. And look, you can see above it. That's what it was. That's why they started setting fires, because this is a stupid excuse.